Locating a booked appointment. Shortcuts Live allows you to view both past and future client appointments, helping you to quickly locate appointments and provide your clients with the information they need. In this lesson, you'll learn how to search for a client, view past appointments, and view future appointments. From Operations, select Customers. Search for the client and select their name from the results list. Then, click Appointments. Select Past Appointments to view a list of the client's previous appointments. Or select Future Appointments to view a list of the client's booked appointments that have yet to occur. Click on Appointments that are grouped to view the sub-services. In this lesson, you've learned how to search for a client, view past appointments, and view future appointments.